Unlock the full potential of your Brother electronic typewriter with this comprehensive 22-page digital manual. What you will learn: setup and operation, step-by-step guide to setting up and using your Brother electronic typewriter with ease. Paper and ribbon loading, learn how to properly load paper and ribbon for flawless printing. Typing and formatting, discover how to type accurately and format text with various font options, styles, and sizes. Correction and revision, familiarize yourself with correction and revision features to refine your writing. Maintenance, keep your typewriter in top condition with practical cleaning and care tips. This manual is perfect for Brother electronic typewriter owners. Maximize your typewriter's capabilities with detailed and easy-to-follow instructions. Offices, enhance productivity and internal communication with efficient typewriter usage. Schools, provide students with a versatile and useful learning tool to develop their writing skills. Libraries, expand the range of services offered by adding an easily accessible typewriter for patrons. Anyone who wants to learn how to use an electronic typewriter, approach the world of typewriting with confidence and competence. Format, downloadable digital PDF for immediate access and convenient reference. Invest in your future and creativity with this essential manual. Purchase your Brother electronic typewriter instruction manual now.